everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Montefusco and I'm a lover of all things when it comes to makeup and fragrance and all of that fun stuff. And today is my monthly video where I rank and tell you all about the products I tried in the month of August. So when I'm filming this, it is still August, but I'm not going to be trying any more products between now and the end of August. What is today? I don't know what today's date is. It's the end of August. We'll put it that way. So if you all want to see the products I tried in August, hear my honest thoughts, then please keep on watching. So this first product is the only product I did not make a video on because I hated it that much. And this is from Imaginary Authors, and this is their short story collection. So this is just samples that I picked out. So I picked out 8 different samples. It came in this cute little box. Some of these I picked out from my boyfriend, and he actually likes 2 of them. He likes Every Storm a Serenade and Cape Heartache. And then some of them I picked for myself, like A Whiff of Waffle Cone and St. Julep and Yesterday Haze and things like that. But every single scent I smelled in here either was just way too manly for me, like, you know, Every Storm a Serenade and Cape Heartache, or I just didn't like it. I was most excited for A Whiff of Waffle Cone because who doesn't want to smell like a waffle cone? I mean, maybe some of you all don't. Like, if you're not a gourmand lover, maybe you don't. But for us gourmand lovers, which I am definitely one of them, who doesn't want to smell like a waffle cone? Like, that just sounds amazing. But I think the Perfume Nest here on YouTube said it best when she said it smells like burnt maple syrup waffle cone, like someone like whose first day on the job is like making a waffle cone for the first time and they just really effed it up, you know? So I really do not like that scent. It was just so bitter, so like metallic-y. It was just very weird and not that sweet waffle cone ice cream shop vibe that I wanted. It just was not pleasant at all. So actually I'm going to be putting this short story collection into a giveaway. I'm going to be doing a giveaway very shortly. I have a crap ton of perfume sample kits and just individual samples and decants from Royalty Scents that I didn't like, just things that I thought you all might want to try. I have a ton of them in this box, like right next to me. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. This is going to be going into the giveaway. I could see buying my boyfriend either Every Storm a Serenade or Cape Heartache, probably Cape Heartache because he already has like an aquatic scent in his collection. So I could see myself buying that for him for like Christmas. But other than that, this was just not a hit. I'm not a fan. I am not going to be buying any Imaginary Authors fragrances anytime soon, that's for certain. So next, all these other products I like. It's just which ones do I like the most, which ones do I like the least. So let's talk about this little decant from Royalty Scents. This is Poison Girl Eau de Parfum. It smells really nice, but I already own the Eau de Toilette, the full size, and I just feel like it's very similar to the Eau de Toilette. I personally prefer the Eau de Toilette. It just has some notes in there I more prefer over the Eau de Parfum. So that's why this is ranked number 6. It's nice, I like it, but I prefer the Eau de Toilette, which I already have. So Poison Girl EDP. So next up, another fragrance. This is also a decant from Royalty Scents, and this is Jean Paul Gaultier La Belle. This is a lovely fragrance. I really enjoy this. That top note of pear just like really comes out on the skin, at least on my skin. It just really comes alive. And the dry down is very vanilla, soft, just really elegant and beautiful. I could see myself wearing this more in the fall and winter, although I think it works in the spring and the summertime. Like, I've worn it a few times over this past month on my skin. But I do feel like for me, it's a bit of a more fall winter kind of situation. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy a full bottle of this at some point. I'm definitely gonna wait until the decant runs out, and I mean, I'm nowhere near close, so I have a long time to make that decision. But I think it's nice. I think it's lovely. My mind isn't made up yet if it's full bottle worthy or not, but it's a nice scent, very pleasant. I think it's a crowd pleaser personally. So Jean Paul Gaultier La Belle. Oh, and by the way, just want to mention this before I get into the next thing I tried in this month. If you all want to hear more about like notes, first impressions, things like that of any fragrances I've tried this month, then definitely check out the videos I've made on those fragrances. Just keep that in mind. This is just like, here's a quick review of all the stuff I tried this month. So number 4, we have this fragrance mist from Sol de Janeiro, and this is their collaboration with Anitta. She is a Brazilian pop singer. If you've heard that Girl from Rio song on the radio, which I think is a really great song, probably my song of the summer. But if you've heard that song on the radio, that's who she is. This is just a really lovely fragrance mist. I would say it's not as gourmand as a lot of the other Sol de Janeiro mists. I have all of them, but that pink one, I didn't like the pink one. But I have the coconut one, I have the original perfume, and then like the Bum Bum Cream scent, but in the perfume, not the mist. And then I also have that like really caramely, salty one that's like the dark brown bottle. But this one is definitely more floral. The notes are actually on the bottle, so I can tell you real quick. It has notes of passion fruit nectar, coconut water, orchid, jasmine honey, patchouli, and vanilla. So it's very floral, very sweet. I think this is really, really nice for spring and summer. I don't think I'd wear this in the fall and winter, but the way that I've been wearing this is I've been spraying this on myself some nights before bed, like right before I'm like gonna chill on the couch with my boyfriend. We're gonna watch like Netflix or Hulu. This is when I spray this. It's very much like a chilling on the couch kind of scent, or it's like a, you know, spending the weekend outside kind of scent, or like going to the grocery store kind of scent. To me, this is very casual. I don't think I'd wear this in like a formal manner. The lasting power is pretty good. I would say it lasts on my skin maybe 4 or 5-ish hours. It's not horrible, it's not great. But for a perfume mist, I don't expect like amazing lasting power. So this is good. I like it, and that's why it's in the middle. So next up, another fragrance I tried. This is something I tried in a sample, decided I really liked it, and actually bought a full bottle. So this is Paco Rabanne Olympia. Pardon the fingerprints on here. This is just what happens with this bottle. So this scent is just a salty vanilla. Salty vanilla goodness. I absolutely love this. When I tried this, I was like, I already have, you know, more of like a salty vanilla summery kind of fragrance in my collection, and Juliet has a gun vanilla vibes. So I compared the two side by side. They are not the same at all. Vanilla vibes is very like salty vanilla, but with that suntan lotion. You're on the beach, you're smelling the waves, you know, you're wearing your SPF, and you have that like sandalwood kind of ness to it. It's just very, very aquatic. This is not aquatic. This is just salty vanilla. Juliet has a gun vanilla vibes. That to me is only spring and summer. I could definitely see myself wearing this in the fall and winter. I'm curious to see how it acts in the colder weather, but in the warmer weather, this is lovely. It's just the perfect salty vanilla. This was actually a tester bottle that I got. I think it was off of Fragrance Net. It was either Fragrance Net or Fragrance X, I can't remember. So I got this for a really good deal, and it's just a lovely fragrance, and I really like it. I think the bottle's really cool too. So Olympia, I love, really good. So next up, I want to talk about the eyeshadow palette that is on my eyes. I have filmed a video with this. By the time I post this, that video will be out. I'm filming this on the same day, so check out that video. I've used this palette 3 times now, and I am in love. And this is the Vanity Makeup Cosmetics, the Signature Palette. Oh my goodness, this is so good. If you love neutrals, you're gonna love this. This packaging is Pat McGrath packaging. It is Pat McGrath packaging. And these eyeshadows are made in Italy. Oh, you can totally tell. So not trying to give my video away, but this palette, all these shades are hits. I love all these shades. The mattes are all great. There are 2 types of metallic formulas in here. The 3 shades, the 2nd shade, the 3rd shade, and the 4th shade, those are all like very textured, sparkly, like boom, like can be used as toppers. Those are what those kinds of shades are. And then the 1st shade and the last 2 shades are more just like metallic shimmer like normal. I personally prefer the textured shades. I wish all of the metallic shades in here were the textured shades, but my goodness, this palette is just really good. There is no dud in here. It is pricey. It retails for $95. If you've never shopped from them before, sign up for their emails. You'll get a 15% off discount code. So I used a discount code. That was nice. So I didn't pay $95, but it's expensive, but it's really, really good. And I would say this is my favorite neutral palette in my collection, period. I love it that much. And you might be wondering, well, what could possibly beat your favorite neutral eyeshadow palette? Well, my favorite fragrance I've ever smelled in my entire life. That's what. And this is Xerjoff? That's hard to pronounce. Xerjoff Casamarati Lira. If you love gourmands, get a sample of this. Lucky Scent has samples because this is just like lemon pound cake, dream. Like if you've ever had the Starbucks lemon iced pound cake, oh, that's what this smells like to me. This is perfection in a bottle. This bottle is so luxurious, like it's so heavy, but the juice inside is like really where it's at. It's so, so, so good. I love smelling this on me. I'm like, oh my God, I smell like lemon pound cake. It's amazing. It's so good. It lasts really, really well on the skin. I remember I've applied this at like 8 a.m., like before, you know, I go to work in the living room, because I'm still working from home. And so I've applied this on my skin, 8 a.m. It's 5, 6 p.m. I'm working out in the basement, 5, 6 p.m., you know, doing some, you know, like shoulder presses or something. And every time my wrist passes my nose, I can smell it on me. It's amazing. I'm like, this stuff lasts so long. Even after workout, when I'm like sweating and all that, I can still smell this fragrance on me. The lasting power on this is just amazing. It doesn't project like a beast. It doesn't, you know, have like a sillage like a beast. None of that for certain, at least not on me. But it just lasts forever on the skin. It's just lovely. I will wear this all year round. I absolutely love this. This is super, super expensive. This I think might be the most I ever paid for a fragrance, because I have Tom Ford Lost Cherry, but I got that for like 60% off. So I don't think I paid as much for Lost Cherry that I paid for this. But this is just lovely. I'm in love with this scent. I mean, I have to smell it again. That's how much I love it. Oh, this is so good. If I were to have a signature scent, this would be it. Like, this is just amazing. If you're a gourmand lover, get your hands on a sample of this because, oh my goodness, it's awesome. So that is it for the video. I only tried 7 products in the month of August. I'm trying to spend less because I'm just, you know, I'm in grad school right now. That's some money out of my savings. I also had to buy a car recently, a used car. My old car was just, so I got a car recently. So I'm gonna be saving. I'm sure there's gonna be some more months where I just buy less, you know? So I hope you're okay with that. I'm gonna try to think of like creative video ideas just so I don't run out of things to talk about. I've been really, really into fragrances recently, if you can't tell. I still love makeup. Makeup is always gonna be my first love, but I really, really have been enjoying fragrance content as well. So there's gonna continue to be a good mix of both on my channel. But yeah, like eyeshadow palettes and stuff, I'm gonna need some ideas. I know one of you suggested palette bingo. I think that's a great idea. But if you all have any ideas for videos, just please let me know down in the comments because I'm gonna need them since I'm buying less stuff. So with that, if you like this video, please like this video. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. It also helps me know what kind of videos you like to see on my channel. And if you like me, please subscribe. I would love to have you all here watching my videos. And with that, thank you for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me, and I will see you all next time. Bye.